So how hard is it to get an ATAR of 70? Well, this is a more relevant question to a lot of people because most people aim for about an ATAR between 70 and 80. And surprisingly, the median ATAR is actually around 70 instead of 50, which is what you would probably expect. Now, the median is 70 instead of 50, which is what you would probably expect because ATAR technically takes into account all the students that dropped out of VC, but for all the students that actually finished VC, the average or median ATAR sits around 70. Now, for that reason, you only need around a study score of 30 in all of your subjects to get a study score of 70, which is significantly more achievable than a lot of people think. And that's also why a lot of people kind of have like a weird conception with the study scores, because a lot of people seem to think that 40 is a decently easy study score to get when it is significantly harder than what you'd expect. But ATARs are of around 70 and 80 are actually significantly easier to get than what a lot of people might think. So if you're aiming for that study score of around 70 and 80, you want to be doing at least 1 or 2 practice essays for each of the sections in English to get around that 30-35 study score. And you actually are getting ahead of a lot of people by just writing a few essays and getting them marked properly, because so many students write essays and never get them marked properly or never look at the feedback properly, and just by doing that, you're already getting ahead of a lot of them.